Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Suites Brenham. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a free Wi-Fi. The Comfort Suites Hotel is located near Blinn College-Brenham, the Brenham Heritage Museum and Blue Bell Creameries ice cream factory and tour. Minutes from this hotel, guests can visit the Antique Rose Emporium, Somerville Lake and Washington-on-the-Brazos State Historic Site. Rest, relax and enjoy the wealth of history in Brenham, where Sam Houston worked to form the Republic of Texas in 1836. An entire day can be spent touring Ant Street and the rest of downtown Brenham, where there is a smorgasbord of antique shops, art centers and theaters. The Comfort Suites Hotel is in the Golden Triangle. Brenham's proximity to Houston, Austin, San Antonio and Dallas allows it to serve as a nucleus for manufacturing, retail and tourism. Play golf at 2 of the highest-rated courses in Texas. An abundance of educational institutions can be found within Washington County. Your morning breakfast is full of hot and delicious options, making breakfast at the Comfort Suites the perfect way to start your day. Enjoy a free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. If you're leaving early, your Suite Success grab-and-go bag is available for the 2 hours before the breakfast starts. Guests at this pet-friendly hotel will enjoy the free weekday newspapers and free local calls provided. Relax in the indoor pool and hot tub. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.